So you're certified, you're doing the due diligence of your quarterly audits, you're telling your certification body of any changes upcoming. So what's this rollover certification? So what is that about? Rolling over certification is maybe you've got your food and sanitation certification with one agency and maybe your electrical certification somewhere else. Or maybe you've got a performance tests with one agency and your electrical somewhere else. Rolling over is a consolidation. It's taking your existing NRTL certification and moving it to another NRTL. One benefit of that is, as I said, consolidation, so that we've got fewer agencies doing audits of your production facility, fewer sets of documents to deal with, fewer emails to worry about, who to contact, what do I do. It's also then potential cost savings. You've got fewer people coming in, so there's consolidated, combined audits typically. And then the agency that you work with has a deeper understanding of what your product is, how it works, you, your company, how they work and function, and a deeper relationship with you and trying to make sure we can solve problems for you before they really are truly big problems. And then also, this is the important part here, is the acceptance of the mark is still okay. That's why we are an OSHA NRDL, and the authorities having jurisdiction, the AHJ, they're looking for that NRDL mark to show that it's safe, that product complies. And they're still recognized everywhere within the United States and Canada. And if there's ever a question about it, that's why we're here to support you in what that mark means and talk to anyone that needs to be talked to as far as what our scopes are and what we've done with this rollover process. So how do you do this rollover? It's generally gathering information, and then hopefully that's it. It's an application saying, I want to do this. Here's my information where I'm making my product. It's the same location as somewhere else, potentially. Here's my product information. Here's my descriptive report. We have many names for these types of information. Each agency will have a different name for it, so that's why I've kind of left it as a general name. We also have audit reports we need to review. That way we can ensure that, yes, you are still in good standing. You don't have any deficiencies or non-conformances to worry about. Everything is still on the up and up and everything is still compliant. And then we evaluate your most recent test reports to make sure, again, everything's been tested and evaluated, there's not anything outstanding, and it's compliant. And then we review data plates and labels for use of the new NRTL mark. So that way, because again, those are NRTL specific, you need to go use the new mark. And I didn't mention it before, but that's where oftentimes with rollovers, we actually see sort of a transition period where you have a dual listing with two agencies because you may want to work down existing inventory with a mark, or just sometimes it takes some time to get everything to use the new mark, whether it be your website, your literature, marketing pieces. It can just take a little time. So that's often to have a dual listing period for a few months to maybe a year with both agencies.